Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and I'm going to show you how to make this unusual stitch. Very unusual. Sets of 6 there with 2 in between. Quite stretchy too, so the back's not too bad. Some backs you just don't want to know. This is actually quite nice, and it's a 4-row repeat. It's also multiples of 8 plus 2 to make it symmetrical either side, and 2 edge stitches. Right, let's get started. Put that down. Okay, I have got on my needle here 2 lots of 8 plus 2 stitches plus 2 edge stitches. Okay, so the first row, I'll get rid of this tail. The tails always get me. First row is slip your edge stitch, purl 2, 1, 2, and then the repeat is knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2. Okay, so edge stitch, purl 2, then the repeat is knit 6, 2, 4, 6, purl 2. Okay, we'll do that again. Knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2, and then purl your edge stitch. Oh gosh, I've nearly dropped it then. Purl your edge stitch. There we go. Now let's sort this out. That's it. Second row is slip your first stitch, knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then count 2 stitches, 1, 2, put your needle in between that second stitch and the third stitch, yarn round needle and pull it through, and then you're going to knit the 2 stitches through the back like that. Oh, am I going to get it this time? It's because I'm using like small needles. I'll just pull that off. I'm using small needles, and we'll start. Give it a try again. There you go. Right, next 2 stitches, needle in after the second one. Okay, yarn round, pull it through, and then you knit into the back of those 2 stitches. Ooh, I did it. Next 2 stitches, needle through, yarn round, pull it through, knit into the back of those 2 stitches. There we go. And then it's knit 2. Okay, so edge stitch, knit 2, needle through between the 2 stitches, yarn over needle, pull it through, and then knit the 2 stitches together through the back of loop. Do that again and again, then knit 2. Okay, so 2 stitches, needle through between the second and the third, yarn round, pull it through, and then knit those 2, whoops, will I get my needle in here, knit those 2 stitches together. There we go. Okay, again 2 stitches, needle in between, yarn round, pull your loop through, and then you knit those 2 stitches together. Easy. One more time, needle through, yarn round, pull it through, and then you knit those 2 stitches together, and then it's knit 2, 1, whoa, knit 2, purl the last stitch. There we go. Okay, Next row is slip 1, purl 2, 1, 2, and then your repeat is knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2, 1, 2. Okay, so edge stitch, purl 2, knit 6, 2, 4, 6, purl 2. Okay, so it's knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2, 1, 2, purl your last stitch. Okay, so row 4 is slip 1, then it's knit 2, 1, 2, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 6, knit 2, 1, 2, edge stitch, knit 2, and then your repeat is purl 6, knit 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 2, purl your edge stitch. There we go. So that's your 4 rows. That is your 4 rows. Doesn't look much, just doing your 4 rows, but if you look at that, that is really super, I think. Really super. Actually quite easy to do. Very easy, and it really stands out as unusual. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Like, subscribe, share, and happy knitting.